Okay, here we go. This is a Hochstetler house. This is a house I just built. We're finishing. Pretty nice. Very nice decorated house. See the cupola up there? Good custom effect on this garage. Still doing a little siding. We'll be wrapping this up tonight. But I had enough sense to get my walkthrough done in the daytime now, so I'm learning. But check out those overhang braces. We had a problem with the trusses. To support a 2-foot overhang, you need to have a drop gable, and they didn't send us one. So we got creative and did a little timber frame effect there. Got some good joinery. Oh, can't see that one. That's the real deal there. Let me put my coffee down. See, we got self-supporting overhang joists and braces. Yeah. Not too bad. Take a regular garage and next thing you know, it's super awesome. A couple effects. So this color here, this is natural oak, Sickens Pro, we'll check it out in a minute. Pro something. So yeah, this is the window trim. Nice design. I put this cedar drip edge up there to, doesn't do much under the porch, but I wanted it to match the house. Here's all of our beam work. See how the rafters land right on the edge? Clean. Clean carpentry there. Yeah. No dinking around. Tight notches. Tongue and groove. This is what it's supposed to look like. Anyway, it doesn't always turn out that way. Oh, that sun. I'll have to do the next one in the dark. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Those are the diamond cuts. We'll take a look on the back side. We got our spindled handrails, cedar. Yeah. White cedar. Got white pine logs, 8x8 D. Nice door here. So here's the stairs. This is what you see when you come in. Pretty sweet.
Eli, are you talking to yourself again?
No. We're making history, dude. Yeah. See how that doesn't move and I move? That's how it's supposed to be. We got more of some tenon stairs. Every tread notched in. Leg bolts, glue. We don't mess around. And my nosing, if it looks a little loose, it's not nailed on yet. I gotta go do that. It's on my list. See how this stuff looks tight. This is a sweet effect. Now you can't tell, but where these two knots touch each other, I drilled through and put lag bolts in there. There's one of them. The other one's on the other side. But Yeah. Karate kick that sucker. It's not going nowhere. Oh yeah. And there's the little special thing I do when people are nice. It's a cathedral doghouse. If you can picture, okay, that top of that wall where the rafters come down, that's a flat ceiling across there, typically. And that big beam header is down at that level, at the wall height. And you don't see the ridge and the valleys there. It just comes down to the flat ceiling. So this is a little more up close. Yeah, that's nice. That notch right there, that's a saddle notch. A real one. You can see the bottom of the panels, so you know you're getting a good insulation connection. It's all up to the guy in here to do a good job. Insulation stop. Yep. Oh! This house got 2 extra courses of logs. We had some extra logs, so I started out with 1 extra course, and seeing that I had enough for 2, and I went ahead and did 2. The first course was a big deal because these rafters were able to land on logs now instead of framing. And I did not raise the porch roof. So what you see here is a couple courses of log siding, little transition. If you can imagine that 2 courses lower, that's where your trim would be. It's always tight. So I try to work around that, give me some space. But this house got 2 courses. The second one down here is in between the logs. And that's finished off the under porch, so there's no under porch siding. And up here, you can see, I mean, look at the head clearance. That's a full 15 courses, just like downstairs. So, no more loft. This is pretty much 2-story. It also raised the ceiling so much that these closets that were here were no longer wanted because it's more usable space. We turned this into the big master closet, put a shelf in there for them. You could call it a shelf. It's a big shelf. Here's the loft. Got a channel along the baseboard there. That's what all the outlet boxes run into, and the electrician runs around and just does easy work. I do all this hard stuff. And then check this out. I got that wire in there. It wasn't easy. Yeah, so this here needs to go on and get nailed, but we'll get it. Where are we at? Oh yeah, bird's mouth. That is called a drop ridge, where the rafters sit on top of the ridge, notch into the log. It just basically locks this house together. You could land a helicopter on top. Yeah. So there's that post. That sucker is built in. It's not moving. That's how that's done. A little bit of decorative effects here. Got a nice fireplace, real wood burner. The wife you wanted round, she got round. Here's the sunroom. These are always really nice. I like these. So there's usually a beam header, and posts. But I swiped those beams to make the cathedral dormers upstairs. And maneuvered some stuff for here and there around and stuff. This is my leftovers. Got a 2x6 I can put up on that micro am as a mock 6x6. Looks the same from the inside. Get 2 fake corner posts in there, 2x2s for the corners. Boom. Same thing you would have seen if I had put the beams in the wall. But you don't have to do that if you order extra ones ahead of time. I'll let you know if you need that. Looking good, huh? Can you see that? Gosh. This camera's not super sweet. And this one, the tongue groove was stacking a little funny and I ended up right on the groove, so I'm going to just trim it versus chase it. Got the drip edge. Let's go check this out. I gotta show you the back side of these stairs, these things. This is where it's all going down. Whoa. Yeah. So it turns out, since they want their door centered and their stairs where they got them, normally there'd be a one-step landing at the bottom and you'd step off to the left there. We don't have room for that. So, we cut the center beam, boom, put this header back here, and moved the stairs back 1 tread. A lot of work for a little bit of dinking around, a little bit of space, but then when it all comes together, wouldn't you know, you can't get them stairs in there without, you know, because the stairs come together like the side's got to come in from the side. So I built these up in the air. Put a temporary thing across, built them up in the air, hung them from that beam, and dropped them down and slid them into place. But check that out. Look at all that stuff. This right here is enough space for sheetrock or tongue groove, whatever. Sheetrock, and then a little trick of the trade. Throw in a screw here, sucks it up, boom, done deal. Tight. Yeah, but yeah, let's look at this again, because I could stare at this crap all day. That's just stupendous. So much crap coming together is just awesome. My wife's going to yell at me for saying crap. I'm supposed to be edit. Okay, sunroom. You can see those rafter tails looking good. Looking really good. Octagon, the drip edge wasn't easy, but I did it. Look at that stuff, it's beautiful. I went with siding on their chimney, saved a couple bucks. Gonna put it other places. The upstairs trim's not painted, that's actually gonna be stained. I had the painter painting my ankles behind me. Got down wall in the basement, fake log tails, well, bottom 2 courses, that's siding. Yeah. And then check that out. That's his barn. He's been working on his fence all summer. Excuse me. Let's see, did I forget anything? Should I make another lap around so Sarah can edit half my stuff?